Hello, and welcome to another training video for Enlite POS powered by Dark. Today we're going to be looking at a customization for the pick and pay screen. It's very easy to use, but it does change the way the program looks and the way the program is used, so we're going to go over it very quickly. If you have not already, please go back and view the videos for the pick and pay fundamentals and also how to apply payments. As we won't be touching on any of those concepts here, today we're going to be looking strictly at this customization and how it's used. So to start, I'm going to head over to the pick and pay section, enter my PIN. So we're here with Jack Napier, and as you can see, the screen looks very similar to the way it did before, except for you might notice that all of the buttons up here are gone. These are the buttons that control the actions for both pick and pay. And you might also notice that the pick and pay checkboxes are also gone. When this configuration is applied, the employee is required to scan the invoice before a pick or pay action can be processed against it. Cleaners apply this so that the employee doesn't accidentally give the customer the wrong order. So in order to use it, it's very simple. We're going to say that we are scanning invoice 845-5. Of course, we can also add an additional setting to force the scanner on this field, so it won't take any keyboard inputs, it will only take the input from the scanner. That's an additional configuration. I'm not doing that right now because I don't have a scanner configured on this computer, but it's an option for you if it's something that you want. Once I press enter, you can see down here we get a notification 845-5 enabled, and now I can process pick and pay actions against this invoice. Once the invoice has been scanned, it behaves the same way as we've seen in the previous videos for applying pickups and payments against the invoice. You can keep scanning additional invoices, so A39-1. And if I scan an invoice that doesn't exist, I get an error saying the invoice is not found. And same thing if I were to scan an invoice that belongs to a different customer. So if I go back to where my rack is, I use my pickup slip, I print out all the orders that I'm supposed to bring over, and I accidentally pull over an extra order or an order that doesn't belong to this customer. The moment that I scan that invoice, the system is going to let me know that it belongs to a different customer, and the employee will know to put that order back. So that's it. I just wanted to show you guys this customization. This is an option for you if you think it's something that would be beneficial for your store. Just contact your support team and they'll be happy to enable this for you. That's all for today, and from everyone here at Dark, thank you so much for your time and attention, and thank you for your business. I'll see you on the next video.